Hello guys, do you remember this room number? 917. So we are back in our beloved 917. We actually had this room last time we came to Atlantic Mirage and I requested it again and we got this room.
So we booked via booking.com.
Booking.com, yeah. So we did booking.com, we did everything separately, so booking.com and we did the flight separately. So really easy, you can just do booking.com and then just pay when you get here. So we didn't have to pay a deposit or anything, we just paid when we checked in.
So we start here?
Start here, yeah. So, great little thing what I love about this hotel is this room is you've got, if you did want to do...
so random though.
I know, I mean, we're not going to do any tomato soup in there, but we've not, can I open it? I can prove to you that we've not used it.
Yeah.
Crystal
I suppose
clean.
it's good if,
maybe if you've got a baby or children.
It's kids free though.
Oh yeah, so. No. It's adult only. God knows, maybe you just want a bit of tomato soup on, I don't know.
I was going to say the same thing, but yeah, it's adult only.
Anyway, so you've got your microwave, and then you've got this cupboard here, where you've got your kettle, wine glasses, you've got your 2 mugs, and then you do have 2 glasses, but we've used one of them.
We're filming this on our last day, but we've just not used any of that.
Yeah, we've not used any of it. And then you've got a really nice big size fridge. So we have still got milker. So we got this on our first day and we've still not actually drank our milker. And we've got some Dorada sin alcohol.
Oh, it's good for our water and stuff.
Yeah, we've had plenty of water in there. We've just put a few bickies in there and a few chocolate bits. And then you've got a little freezer compartment as well. Yeah. So yeah, that is your little mini kitchen. Should we go into the
bathroom?
Seeing what I love about this bathroom is you've got your his and her sinks. Hi. So yeah, I love this. So that's your sink, isn't it? And that one's mine. So we've got our little sink.
Like the design.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Here you've got a nice little getting ready area. So you've got your 2 plug sockets. So I'll dry my hair in here. I'll do my hair. And we've just put all of our bits out here as well. Toilet, you don't really need to see the toilet, do you?
That's nice little if you want to shave and stuff.
And then hang your towels
hang your towels. But again, I'm stood where the toilet is. Look at the space.
There's so much space.
It's absolutely huge.
Such a good space. Amazing. You've got like a sliding door here.
Yeah.
Frosted glass. So yeah, really nice little
shower.
So
we'll see. We'll leave that.
We'll show you the party trick. But you've got a really good, so you can change all the colours.
Yeah, so that's quite fancy.
So I tend to have it on pink.
I go for a blue, because I'm quite a blue.
So
that's purple.
And then every day they change the towels. Well, they're quite environmentally friendly in this hotel. There's a little sign here actually saying about it. So if you'd like to have towels replaced, leave them on the floor, or leave them hanging on the rails if you don't want them. Yeah. So we just tend to just left them in this little corner here, and we get fresh towels every single day. So bath towels, hand towels, little bath mat, everything fresh every day.
The cleaners' maids are so friendly. We have the same one, don't we?
We have the same lady, yeah.
Because she always knows what time we venture out.
What time we finally go out. So yeah, it's so lovely. And it's been spotless the whole time.
Yeah, what colour would you have it? That's a nice purple, so you just change it like that.
I know what colour you'd have.
Blue, red, pink. Well, you can have it off, but that's boring. Yeah. Green, I like the green.
Yeah, pink. There we go.
Yeah, it's a good feature.
Oh, and the shower, amazing shower. You've got your, is it a waterfall? I don't know what it's called, but you've got an amazing
So I'll tell you, I'll try and do the tester. So a good stream, good pressure.
Yeah.
That's perfect. So now I've got to try and turn it off. But you've also got the head as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's really, I could spend hours in there.
Oh, the shower's amazing.
So you stand there, shall we do the little party trick?
Yeah. Well,
So this is a little party trick. There you go, you see Deborah. And I know. Did you see it?
Give it a little down.
So yeah, it's a little...
And this is great if obviously like you could have it on and look to the ocean, or if you wanted it quite private, you can have it quite private, whatever floats your boat really.
Yeah.
But I think that's a really nice little touch.
Or else.
Yeah, whatever you're into. Bed. Look at the bed. I mean, this makes me sad though. So the lovely lady left this for us because it's our last day today. Yeah. So we remind you that tomorrow is your departure, blah blah blah. So we've got to leave by 12 noon.
Yeah, but look at the size of the bed.
We can't find each other on a
No,
night in
no.
this bed. It's such a good
And that, I like how they do.
Oh, I know. So every day, and I'll sometimes just leave my pajamas over there, and the lovely maid will come and like make
Yeah.
a little, just do that, which I think is so cute.
Yeah.
So
Again,
lovely.
you've got your.
Then you've got your light. So you've got, oh, that's the main light. So I'll turn that off. You've got a nice little light on the headboard, and then you've got these little spotlights which are really cool. The hanging lights, which are really cool. We'll turn them off though because we don't need the lights on, do we? So you've got your nice throw, your scatter cushions as well on there.
Yeah.
And like,
Same again this side. I've got the same. So nice little storage. You can put your stuff in, and plugs, which you does my head in when you haven't got a plug
yeah,
at side
just to
of
charge your phone or whatever.
you. So yeah, again, it's really spacious
Again,
from
look
there.
at the
We do the wardrobe now.
wardrobes. We've got 2 wardrobes, really big sizes. Sorry if it looks a bit of a mess, guys. I've got clothes all over the place here. So this is my side. All I would say is from a lady's point of view, the downside I found with the wardrobe is you've got the shelves here, and because I have a lot of long dresses, I like to kind of hang my dresses down.
Yeah.
So when we first came, I kind of had to just leave the wardrobe open. I mean, that's like the teeny tiniest little thing, because then you've got all your shelving space here as well. So that's my side, and then on Lee's side, we've got and then we've got safe. So we paid for the safe, haven't we?
So that was €27 for 11 nights.
For 11 nights. Really great little safe. I need to show you this, guys, as well, because this is just amazing. So I've got.
But you don't get this.
You don't get this. You do get a hairdryer though.
Yeah, hairdryer.
So you've got and it's a good, because I never bring electricals. I always use Denise's hair straighteners, and then you've got a good little hairdryer, and you've got the 2 little heads. So you've got your standard head and like diffuser kind of head as well. But so when we come away, I don't know about anyone else, but I hate ironing in general. I don't like ironing at home. But I said to Lee, let's buy a steamer because it's great for dresses, great for your top. So I got Denise to pick me one up from El Campo, and this has been. We're gonna get one at home, aren't we?
Yeah.
So Denise and Steve, you can have this for now, and then when we're back in October, because obviously we can't use this plug.
Yeah.
But honestly, guys,
Yeah,
that
they're
is just
good.
amazing. I've only just really
That's
figured
we
out.
bought that, so don't think
Yeah, that's not
included.
included in the room. We have bought that.
Into a little storage.
Little store. This is obviously my handbag collection here and my shoes. So that's just got all of my bags and my shoes underneath here.
Little desk.
Got a little desk here. You've got your TV. Again, you've got your little hanging little lights here, spotlights.
And this
remote.
comes in so there's got a spa, so if you want to use.
Yeah, and then
Scan
there is
that.
also leaflets up at reception as well, with all the things that are included in the spa.
Yeah.
I think for us it's €15 for guests, and for people like Denise and Steve who live here it's €20 to use the spa.
Yeah, and then we've got a little sofa.
Little sofa here, which we've
And-
not used. have we?
And when we come back after the first day, I think I took a video out. Don't quote me
I
on
took a
it.
picture, so we'll insert the
Yeah,
picture.
so we'll insert. They left us a bottle of wine and glasses.
Yeah,
and we
which-
don't know if that was.
Yeah, so I don't know if they do that all the time or if it's because we've been before, because obviously we asked for we requested this room. But yeah, we got a bottle of red wine. We did give it to Denise and Steve because we don't like red wine.
Yeah.
But they said it was very nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, and there was so we'll insert the picture. It was a lovely 2 glasses, red wine saying welcome on it. So
Yeah.
I don't know if that is something they always do or maybe if you've just come a few times then they'll do that as well. So yeah.
So if you've stayed here,
let us know.
Yeah.
If you stayed a few times, let us know.
yeah.
And then, ta-da-da, we have got the balcony. I mean,
And this is what we pay for it.
Yeah.
This. Oh,
so the really great thing about this hotel, so it's on a cliff, but every single room, you get this view. So no matter if you're down, that's where we have breakfast down there. And then there is another floor underneath there, but look at the view.
picked the day to film this as well with the sun.
Oh, it's just absolutely amazing. Oh, look, there's one there. And we've been, as you all know, we've been watching the paragliders. So we've had, today is our last day, and we've had a day chilling on the roof. So that's why we're a bit not dressy, so excuse how we look. But we've been looking at the paragliders. I mean, look at this, and you've got here, so these are a natural seawater pool down here. And sometimes we can see people just loving life down there. And then you've got the Lido.
Amazing
Honestly,
views.
this hotel is beyond.
And it's private because you can't see any other.
Yeah, and you've got washing line.
Yeah.
Want to put your washing out. But we put like our cozies on there. Just to show.
Table and chairs, obviously we've got towels.
And these are the towels. These are, so when you come to this hotel, you do have to get their towels. So it's €10, was it?
Yeah.
I think. And you get the €10 back when you hand the towels back in,
Yeah.
which is great. I think it's more so if people maybe are using the pools and they're not guests, so people can establish who are guests and who aren't. I think you can still bring your own towels, but you have to have the €10 as well for these towels. But I love them; they're really retro. I think these towels.
Yeah.
And you have got a little light as well. So on a night time, if you want to just relax and listen to the sea, the ocean, a lovely place just to chill.
Yeah, what an amazing view.
It's stunning. We cannot, so we've already done in our previous vlog, which we'll probably put an attachment down, we've already done a hotel tour, haven't we? So we'll probably insert that, but we cannot fault this hotel.
No.
Can we?
No.
It's absolutely amazing.
The value for money and the quality you get.
So we paid £1,068.
Yeah, obviously it goes on
Euros
about,
or
yeah,
with Booking.com it
exchange
goes on what
rate.
the currency exchange is. But that was for 11 nights and we got breakfast included. The breakfast is amazing. You can have debois, which is the carver. So they have that every morning. You can have some fizz.
Yeah.
Imagine having a glass of fizz in these views in this hotel.
So if my maths are right, that's just over 100. About 105 quid a day, is
Yeah,
it?
I think so, yeah.
Roughly.
We'll do a little calculation and maybe add it on. You can go half board here, full board if you want. There is a restaurant so you can eat. We just, because we're quite local to this area, we like to go out for dinner on a night, but you could, if you wanted to, you could eat here as well. But yeah, I mean, it's our second stay in this hotel and we cannot fault it, can we?
No.
The cleanliness, the friendliness, they can't do any more for you. The rooftop bar is amazing. And even though we're directly below the rooftop, on a night we can't hear anything because, as you know, sometimes we can be early birds. We go to bed at maybe like 10 o'clock. It doesn't close till 12, but we don't hear it, do we?
No.
It's not noisy at all.
No.
So yeah, if you want a bit of relaxation, you're in couples, you want a week away from the kids maybe, I don't know, you need to come and try this hotel.
Yeah.
Because it's absolutely amazing.
Yeah, there's literally nothing I would. The customer service friendliness.
Yeah. No.
Everywhere. It's not just one bit of the hotel that's nice. We've just been up there and they were so tentative and downstairs.
Oh look, there's one.
Literally say, there you go, see the views of them every day.
There we go.
And
it's absolutely
literally
amazing.
say hello every day and morning.
Yeah, everyone's super friendly. And like I said, the one thing for us when we stay in a hotel, we're not hotel snobs, but we like nice places, don't we? And this just super clean. Everything about it. I absolutely love it.
So yeah, come and stay. If you want to stay in Puerto, this is the hotel to stay at.
100%. You need to come and stay in this hotel. You can use upstairs at the pool bar. You can use Apple Pay. You can use card, cash. You can charge it to your room. So whatever you want to do, we've not charged anything to our room, but we've used cash, we've used card, Apple Pay.
Yeah, I don't like getting the bill. I'd like to know it's paid.
Yeah, we don't want to
you like forget about it.
So yeah, we just want to do a shout out as well to one of our subscribers, to Stuart and his partner from Leeds. I know you're coming to stay here later this year. You are going to love it. Take loads of pictures and show us because we want to know how much you're really enjoying it. I know you asked about can you pay on card. Like we've said, you can pay on card, cash, charge it to the room. You are going to have the most amazing time. So enjoy, Stuart.
I also think there's another one that's flying out on the 12th of July. I think they're staying here.
Oh really?
I think I read.
Lee's normally in charge of the admin, guys. I'm not very good on admin. So if any of our lovely subscribers are staying in this hotel, give us a message or a comment. You can't message on YouTube.
And also the couple that actually stayed here.
Yeah, Debbie and Pete.
Yeah.
I want to say it's Debbie and Pete. I'm so sorry we didn't catch up and have a cocktail.
Yeah.
We kept looking out for you at breakfast. I think you've gone home today.
Yeah, but come here on their honeymoon.
Oh, you were on honeymoon, and we saw you on your
Yeah.
first morning.
Yeah.
So yeah, gutted we couldn't meet up and have a cocktail,
Yeah.
but I hope you had the most amazing time, and I hope you've really enjoyed your stay at Atlantic Mirage.
Yeah.
If any of our subscribers are staying here, if you've got any questions, please just comment, give us a little comment, and we will get back to you. So yeah, we're gonna wrap this vlog up.
Yep.
We hope you've enjoyed it. Our room tour of the Atlantic Mirage.
Yep.
So yeah, it's our last night now, so we're going to go and enjoy our last night in Puerto. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your beautiful, lovely comments. And if you did like this video and you enjoyed it, please remember to like and subscribe.
Yep.
And we will see you all soon.
See you soon.
Bye guys.